Oh, open like that already. Has the cover. Put that to the side. And then all these are just some you know, stickers. Some very nice stickers. Super nice. Set that to the side. And of course, more and more stickers. Mic tuning or mic tuning, however you say it. So, yep, very nice. And then of course the manual itself, if you do need help with it. But I've already like installed many other switch panels already, so it shouldn't be that hard. And then of course all your stickers for you to mount on the switch panel itself. So you definitely have a lot of options, whatever you want to put on your switch panel. So that's definitely a plus right there that you need. It's gonna be the wireless switch panel itself. All right, but yeah, no more connecting to the control box right here. You know, wireless, like I said, super nice. All you gotta do is just charge it whenever it's red. But then this thing lasts super long anyways, so you know, you don't have to really charge it as much like that. But then, you know, whenever you do need it to charge it, you can just charge it real quick on the side right here. And then yeah, like I said, wireless. It does not go and connect into the control box at all, so that is a good thing. Let's put that to the side. And then of course all the wiring, this is for the ACC that you have to run it to towards your ACC, so that way it doesn't you know, run through your battery, which is not good. So, and then this right here is just the antenna for you to use to control and stuff like that, maybe from a far distance, stuff like that. So antenna for you to use. And then the charger that comes with it. And then your mount just for the switch panel for the back here, like as you see. Yep, so that way you guys know how it looks like. So this is the mount right there. And then the control box. So this is the control box. Of course, it does give you an option, okay guys, an option of let me see, it does give you an option of turning on to the ACC mode, or you want to use the battery mode. But I highly suggest do not use the battery mode because it's going to drain your battery super bad. So always put it on ACC, because it does come with the ACC wire for you to actually run it through your ACC, so that way you don't even need to run to the battery. So always put it in ACC mode. And of course, positive, negative, this is where you connect your antenna. And so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 8 gain switch panel that you can mount up against, and extra fuses inside here if you do need it more. And right here is your positive and negative to connect it to the control box right here. Very good thing that they provided is an extra screwdriver, so that's a plus. And then all the screws for you to mount on the bracket to your switch panel, of course. And then this piece is also very important, because this piece right here is a fuse tab, like an extra one, so that way you could run it towards your run this into your car, and then attach this to the ACC wire, and then find out where the ACC is at, take out that fuse, and then put it in here, and then put it in there, so that way it connects you to. And then just extra zip ties for you, of course. And then the mounting bracket for the actual control box is inside the box under it, so you have to remove this piece. All right, so here it is. Okay y'all, so this is literally everything inside the box that we just obviously unboxing. So like I said, the control box, switch panel, the control box mount inside the car under the hood, stickers for you to mount in, to stick into the switch panel itself, your ACC wire, and then your antenna wire charger for the switch panel, positive and negative terminals into the into the control box and into the truck, and then your mount for your switch panels when the screws for it, and the extra screwdriver that they provided. So definitely very nice.
Make it cool, MICTUNING.